Hello
Hello
guys,
guys, welcome to Mumbai's largest car detailing studio, Cars Exo. My name is Aryan.
And my name is Priyanshu. Let's see what you have got on the ground floor. So here, as you can see, every car that enters Cars Exo, it comes into the washing bay where we detail the vehicle, we inspect the vehicle, we inspect the paint condition. After that, we go on with the detailing. We remove all the hard water stains, iron deposits, brake deposits, all of the things here. After that, the vehicle enters the paint correction zone, the ceramic zone and the PPF zone. Let's see what's going on in the PPF and ceramic bay. So we have created this enclosed space, and I'll tell you the reason behind it. Because whenever we apply ceramic or PPF, it should be a dust-free zone. That's why we have this atomization machine. It's a dust down machine which settles all the dust down before the ceramic application and the PPF application. We have got this Tata Safari for a 5-year PPF and a UV fill. So the customer came to us about a month back for a cement removal process, and he liked the results that we gave. So now it's here for a PPF job. Cars Exo, we care like it's us. Over to Aryan.
So welcome to the experience zone. Here is where the client comes, that is you guys. I will walk you through the entire zone of what happens here, how it is created, why we have this space. Here is our first wall. This is our entire story of how Cars Exo started, from our first meeting to our puja to actually inaugurating Cars Exo and giving you the best service possible. So up next we have the wall of testimonials. These are some of the testimonials that really stuck with us. These are some of the cars that we have done, all the clients, what they had to say, how their experience was, and how they actually felt after getting their car from Cars Exo. This goes up on this wall. If you want to be a part of this wall, visit us at Cars Exo in Goregaon. Up next, we've got the customer experience lounge. This is where you sit, this is where you relax while your car is being worked on. And we put a lot of thought into this. Our team also sits here and has lunch together. Then we move on to the Mythbusters. We've already made a video on this, so swipe up if you want to see that one. Here are the cabins. This is Priyanshu's cabin. This is where you come in. This is where your consultation happens. What is the best for your car, what is the best product, what products we use, how your car should be treated. Up next we've got my cabin. This is where the marketing brains are. This is where the back end of the business is. This is where all the back end magic happens. So the wall behind me is very well thought of. This is what we've been doing since day one. This is the building of Cars Exo from scratch, from our first on paper mind mapping to our entire journey of what actually went down to build what we built, and to give you the best service possible. If you want to see more, visit us at Cars Exo Goregaon West. Cars Exo, we care like it's ours.